Hey, what's up guys, it's me WHYnotBrix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Gunfire Reborn on your PC for free multiplayer online. Before we start, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're always updated. And let's get started. Copy this link to your browser, Google Chrome, and then subscribe and click the notification bell, and then continue. Then you can download it from MediaFire. So download, extract the Gunfire Reborn, and then the password is Gunfire Reborn WHYnotBrix, and wait for the extracting. Done. Then open. Then you need to extract the fix repair. Yes. Then the password is online fix.me. Then okay. And then open the fix repair Steam. Here. Then copy all this to the Gunfire Reborn file. And then paste. Replace. Done. And this is the optional, because some of your Windows Defender will block the DLL online fix, so you need to add in exclusion. Here, exclusions. Yes. Add the folder or the file. Select the folder of Gun Reborn, and then done. Then open the Steam. Always open the Steam first before you click the game. Then we need to add a game, add a non-Steam game, and then browse, and then go to file of Gunfire Reborn, and then click the application, and then okay. Then let's find it, and then here, and then we can play it now. That's so easy. As you can see, it's working. Update roadmap 2023. And then you can shift plus tab here. You can see space bar because it's a rock. Hero. Oh, there's so many heroes here. Why deploy? New adventure. It's a 4-player game. You can invite your friends. So enjoy watching the gameplay. Subscribe guys, and you can request some games if you want.
talking about nothing. Then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this.